Hi, children. How are you? Fine. Good. Teacher is also fine. Welcome to our English class. Children, you take your English textbook. Open page number 6. Open page number 6. Here is a poem named The Cow. Cow, all of you know very well. Do you like cows? Yes. All of you like cows very much. Because the cow is a domestic and gentle animal. It has 4 legs, 1 long tail and 2 horns. It eats grass and hay. It gives us milk and dung. So, it is a very useful animal. Now, you listen this poem. This poem, The Cow, written by famous poet Robert Louis Stevenson. The Cow, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now you listen the poem. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might, to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Listen, children. This is the poem describing about the cow. In this poem, the poet Robert Louis Stevenson describes the cow. How friendly the cow, all red and white. Observe this picture, the picture given here. The cow's color, red and white. I love with all my heart. The poet loved that red and white with the poet's heartfelt love the cow. She gives me cream with all her might. Cream means what? Cream. A thick, white, fatty liquid that rises to the top of the milk. You know that. A pale yellowish color. A pale yellowish, white, thick, fatty liquid that rises on the top of the milk. That is cream. Milk cream. You know very well. Yes. With her might. Might means what? To improve the strength. And the poet used this cream to eat apple tart. Apple tart means what? Strawberry tart. You know that. Apple tart means apple cut into small pieces and add with sugar. And take with this cream and eat. So to eat with the apple tart. Once again listen. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me what? Cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. Second stanza you listen. She wanders. Wanders means what? Walks slowly with no particular aim. Wanders. Walks slowly with no particular aim. That is known as wanders. She wanders lowing. Lowing means what? Making a deep, no, but not loud sound. Making a deep, but not a loud sound. You know that cat is producing sound. Sound. That cattle sound. Lying here and there. And yet she cannot stray. And yet she cannot stray. Stray is what? Move away. She cannot move away from where? From the home. All in the pleasant open air. The pleasant light of day. Pleasant means enjoyable. Pleasant, enjoyable. Open air. She enjoyed very much. And blown by all the winds that pass. She breathed. All the winds that pass and move with that. And wet with all the showers. Showers means what? Fall of rain. She walks among the meadow grass. Meadow means what? A piece of land covered with the grass. A piece of land covered with the grass. A piece of flat grassland. A piece of land covered with the grass, or a piece of flat grassland is known as meadows. Meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. And she eats the meadow flowers. Once again, we listen to this poem. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders lying here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. She walks among the meadow grass, and eats the meadow flowers. Robert Louis Stevenson. Some new words in it: cream, apple tart, wanders, lowing, stray, pleasant, blown, showers, meadow. These are the new words. You underline that words. Meaning given here. Cream, a thick white fatty liquid that rises to the top of the milk. Wanders, walks slowly with no tail, lowing, making a deep but not loud sound. Stray, move away. Pleasant, enjoyable. Showers, follow rain. Meadow, a piece of flat grass land. Is it clear? Children, I hope all of you enjoy this poem. Take page number 7. In that page, certain 2-3 bits exercises given there. First one, answer the following questions. Describe the cow. Already I described about the cow. What does the cow give to the poet? What does the cow give to the poet? The cow gives the poet cream. The cow gives the poet what? The cream. Next, what does the poet eat with apple touch? The poet eats cream with apple touch. What does the cow wander? The cow wanders here and there. When does the cow wander? The cow wanders the pleasant light of day. What does the cow eat? The cow eats grass and flowers. Is it clear? Okay. Next, list 6 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. 6 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Listen. White, might, heart, touch. There, air, stray, day. Pass, grass, showers, flowers. These are the rhyming words. Next, select the correct word from the brackets for each meaning. Write in the given space. Words given in bracket. Wanders, might, stray, lowing, meadow, pleasant. Once again I read the words. Wanders, might, stray, lowing, meadow, pleasant. Make a deep but not loud sound. Which word? Lowing. Field of grass, meadow. Strength, might. Walk slowly with no particular aim, wanders. Move away or be lost. Stray, enjoyable, pleasant. So you want to write that. See. The next, oral work. Oral work also very simple for you. Which animals are useful to us? What do animals give us? What does a cow give us? What do we make from milk? How many types of cows have you seen? Why do many Indians worship the cow? All these answers you want to write in your English notebook. Okay children, see you in the next class.